back to another unboxing video. I am super excited to share this box with you guys again. I did this unboxing a while back, and I still use some of the stuff that I received, because this box, you guys must have already seen the thumbnail, so you know exactly what I'm talking about. And ta-da! Guys, this box is so amazing. Okay, so this is the journal junk box. It's a monthly subscription box. They give you all the tools. They give you all the tools to incorporate anything, all the creative, amazing journaling that you are going to do. It's that simple. You just subscribe, wait every month, and they send you everything. They supply you with so much great stuff, guys. So this box, I will tell you a little bit about it. They have options starting as low as $22.95 monthly. You must be asking yourself, what's inside the box? What am I going to get for all these, for this monthly box, right? Okay, so what you are going to get, you're gonna get clips, you're gonna get journal, you're gonna get pens, you're gonna get notepads, you're gonna get stickers, you're gonna get coaster stamps, you're gonna get so much. And I'm gonna prove that to you, because we are going to unbox this baby right here, and this is their March box. So you know what, let's get started. So this is what the box looks like, and it's a pretty big size box, okay? And it's kind of heavy too. So let's get started, guys. Meanwhile, if you are already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. If you are not, welcome. I would love to have you join my subscription obsession community. You can go ahead and subscribe. Make sure that you hit that notification bell as well, like that. Every time I upload content, you'll be notified. Thank you. Guys, I'm so excited. Okay, this is, oh, hold on, this box is big. Okay, this is what my box looks like. Okay, this box, I'm not gonna pick this box up anymore. All right, so it says, meet me in Paris. Woo-hoo. So what's in the box? It's going to be listed back here. So what's in the box? This month we're traveling to Paris. As they say, Paris is always a good idea. And it has like a little description there. All right. Okay, so we have that. Okay. I said I wasn't gonna pick this up anymore, but look how pretty that is. It has like some little stickers there. I'm so excited with this box, guys. I hope you are too. Ooh. All right, let's get started with, oops. My room is gonna be pretty messy after this unboxing, but that's okay. All right, first item. Cha-ching. Let's see what this is. I love how they package everything, because it's, you can tell nothing is gonna be broken in my box. This is like double padded, so it has the bubble bag, and it has another padding. No way, guys, I was not expecting this. Seriously, this is freaking adorable. Look at this. I gotta take a picture with this and post it on Instagram. Oh, that's another thing, guys. If you are not following me on Instagram, you are missing a lot. Make sure that you go and you follow me there, because I post so much there. This is adorable. Okay, first item is going to be this. I'm trying to set things aside. All right, let's see what else we have in here. Another really nicely packaged. Hold on, because I don't want to drop. Last thing I want to do is drop my stuff, okay? So this is the plate. This is the plate. I'm just gonna have to throw it on the floor. All right, guys. This This is freaking adorable. Look at this. Tell me this is not adorable. Please. Look at this. So stinking cute. I love it. Okay. Hold on. I think it's time to get to the information part. Let's get some information about this. All right. Get there. Okay, here we go. So it says, enjoy afternoon tea. So this is the floral teacup and saucer set. And it retails for $12.99. That is cheap. This is like so cute. I would have probably paid more than that. Maybe like $20 in a heartbeat because it's so adorable. I love the floral design. Everything is so pretty. Love it. Okay. All right. Check this out. So we have a memo pad. And it is a nice size. I use these for everything. So that I won't forget stuff. Grocery list. Just little notes if I have to leave a note for anyone in my family. I use these so much. So I am so glad that I received these here because I'm going to be using them. So this, let's see, you know it's a memo pad, but let's see what it retails for. Okay. Visit in Paris. Meet Me in Paris notepad by Journal Junkbox, and it retails for $10.95. So you will list everything that you want to do in Paris, anything that you want to do anywhere else, doesn't matter. It's functional. Okay, so next up we have Meet Me in Paris. Look how adorable this is. The quality is super nice, guys. Like, this is not something that you're gonna find Dollar Tree. I don't have nothing against Dollar Tree. I love Dollar Tree. I'm a little upset because they raised everything to $1.25. But anyway, I'm not gonna get into that. Look how adorable this is. I love the color, like the floral theme and everything is like so pretty. So this is what it looks like inside. You get that much paper. It says, jot down your precious thoughts. Meet Me in Paris journal by Journal Junkbox, and this retails for $18. $18 with this. Okay, next up, guys, we have this here. This is like a tea. It looks like a tea, but then it has a postcard. Is this like a postcard as well? So it says there's a card blank inside. So you can use this card. You can drink the tea and you could give away the card. That's what I will do. And this one here, it says here, invite a loved one to an afternoon tea. Paris in Fashion tea card by the Creative Idea Shop, $7.95. Oh, wait a minute. If you're gonna gift this, you have to gift it with the tea. So, no, my idea is not gonna work. You have to give it all up, because it's not gonna work. You're just gonna drink the tea and then just get. It's not gonna work, guys. Okay, so next up, oh, I found the double-ended highlighters. So here we are. Okay. Ooh, I like the colors. The colors are so pretty. I'll take one out. Oh, I love how they are. Look at that. Super exciting to write on your journal, to do so much stuff in there, huh? Next up, we have 8 pieces of, what is this? Of seals. Ooh, look how pretty that is. You can seal the card with this. It's so cute. So that one. So we have some stickers here. Look how pretty they are. So these are Paris stickers pack, and it retails for $8. Let me show you guys. I'm just gonna show you a few because it's a lot of them, but they are super adorable, super adorable, so cute. Okay, so I already showed you the highlighter, the seals. Let's see what else we have in here, because I still have stuff inside here just, it has like a lot of shredded paper, so I have to make sure that I don't miss anything. Hopefully I don't. Okay, so we still have a few stuff. Okay. Look how stinking cute this is. Oh, these scissors are so pretty. Hold on, I gotta open them so you guys can see them. Ah. Okay, there we go. Ooh, they are adorable. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. They are so stinking cute. So we have some scissors, which I did see here. So we did the double-ended highlighters set, which is a set of 6 and it retails for $5.99. I showed you Seal a Letter to a Friend, which it retails for $6.99. Get Crafty vintage mini craft scissors. That's what these are, and they retail for $8.99. And it says here, don't let the size fool you, so I trust them, because everything, I received a pair of scissors in the first box that I told you guys about, which I'll link that video on the description box down below so you guys can see how awesome all the stuff I received in that box is. So here we have, maybe this is like a special treat. Oh, it has like the little spoon for your tea. Ooh, look how adorable this is. Oh, this is so cute. Yes, this is, so these are the best dunk in your tea. So these are Lotus caramelized biscuit cookies with the teaspoon, and this is just a free gift. So this is a free gift in the box, guys. This beautiful piece right here, and this is Unlocked Adventure. It says Key to My Heart gel pen, and it retails for $5.99. This is so adorable. Okay, so you have your, there you go, and it's so pretty. Okay, these must be Decorate Your Gifts, Wine and More, Paris Love gift tags. So this is a gift tag set of 3, and it retails for $7.99. That's what this must be, because I think this is the last item. Yep. Okay, and I will show you guys. And then you have your little ribbon or cord, whatever you want to call it, to attach to your gift tag. Guys, this box is amazing. Tell me what was your best item in the box. Tell me if you're gonna subscribe. I'm gonna leave you guys all the information and everything that you need to know in order to subscribe to this box on the description box down below. With that said, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.